Changing your payout method at Wescom Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wescom Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Payout Method. In the Account Settings, look for the option labeled Payout Method or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your changes and log out of your account. Make sure to check back after a few days to ensure that your new payout method is active. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Wescom Credit Union's customer service for assistance.